of what facts may evidence be given in any suit or proceedings. Ans. Section 5 of Indian Evidence Acts provides evidence may be given in any suit or proceeding of the existence or non-existence of every fact in issue and of such other fact as fair hereinafter declared to be relevant and of no others. Explanation: this section shall not enable any person to give evidence of a fact which he is disentitled to prove by any provision of the law for the time being in force relating to civil procedure. So Section 5 declares a general rule of evidence, stating that in any suit or proceedings, parties can give evidence of existence or non-existence and a. fact in issue and b. such facts as are declared to be relevant under Section 6 to 55 of Act. Section 5 of Act conclude by stating, and of no other, which means evidence can be led only regarding fact in issue and facts declared by law to be relevant under any provision of Section 6 to 55, and those which are neither fact in issue nor relevant fact cannot be proved. As submitted earlier, there is distinction between relevancy and admissibility.